Last night all I think about is you. Don't stop, baby, you come on too. Don't want, baby, think about you. You know that I'm never gonna lose.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood, laying on the screen. You just need a better life than this. You need something I can never give. Fake water all across the road. It's gone now, the night is come. But sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. You can't fight it, you can't breathe. You say something so loving, but now I gotta let you go.
So yesterday we all drove from Brizzy to Rockhampton. A classy 8-hour drive. That was an absolute ball of fun. Decided to leave at 4 AM. We then got the Rocky, raced around like crazy to get a bunch of groceries and shit, and then proceeded to Rocky Airport. Rocky Airport, we then decided to board these little Cessna planes. Tiny little fucking planes that when the smallest bit of wind hits, you fall and bounce, and it was pretty crazy. Then we flew from Rocky Mainland, which is just behind me there, Rocky Mainland. We've flown to the island. This island is Marble Island, and landed, and here we are. Yesterday afternoon got pretty crazy. Went for a bit of a tour of the island, and yeah, woke up this morning feeling pretty fresh. Can't say about the same for the other boys. The other boys are pretty fucked. Brock is still in bed. Pussy. Apart from that, how good is this?
But now I gotta let you go. You'll be better off in someone new. I don't wanna be alone. You know it hurts me too. You look so broken when you cry. One more and then I say goodbye. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. I just wonder what you're dreaming of when you sleep and smile so comfortable. I just wish that I could give you that look that's perfectly unsaid. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Heat waves been faking me out. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Heat waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now.
Alrighty, we're at Tuesday. We've had some antics going on. Last night ended with trying to catch
big fish
off the back beach, but all the hooks and traces were breaking, so the boys ended up making some last night in the shed. So see how it went today. So we'll go up the mountains up over there pretty soon, try and go hunt some
big fish,
so we can use them for bait tonight and see how that goes. So had a bit of a sleep in this morning, so once that's all done, cook some breakfast, go hunt some
big fish.
She said, I'm running around looking for peace of mind. So come out and change me. You were always around to make me smile.
You want some, Gary? Oh, Nick, you'll have some of this. You like this shit.
Let me chop it for you.
Yeah.
I wasn't happy.
Oh, you wouldn't have done that.
Yeah, the fact that he had to drive from.
He called me on the way back.
Oh.